Friends, be sure and check out our sponsors. They're the reason the Airgun Geeks even exist. They make sure we get to the places where the airgun story is happening. So do make sure you show them some love. Check out their shops and check out their products. Airgun fans, I've got a recurring guest on the Airgun Geeks. This is David from Black Arts, and he's got a really, really cool, innovative new product that he has worked really hard to bring to the airgun world. And it's not like he just thought of a new product. He created an entire ethos within his manufacturing to be able to bring this into realization. So David, tell us about this new product that you've got and what it offers, and kind of key in on some of those really cool design elements.
Sure. So
that are part of this.
So we've been working with 3D prints, as most people know, but our true passion is composites. So carbon fiber, Kevlar, fiberglass.
Hey Airgun Geeks family, we've got some exciting news to share with you today. We're thrilled to announce our new partnership with some of the biggest names in the outdoor world. Airgun Depot, Cabela's, and Bass Pro Shops. This partnership means that when you use our special links to shop at these stores, it won't cost you a penny more, but it directly supports the Airgun Geeks podcast. We're really proud to be working with these outdoor giants, and it's all about helping us bring you the best coverage of the airgun world. So next time you're gearing up for your next outdoor adventure, remember to use our links. You'll be supporting us and helping keep the content you love coming.
That's where our true passion is, and we set out originally to bring that to air gunners.
Right.
We've been driving for this since Black Arts Design was first thought of, which was actually over 10 years ago.
Sure. So kind of cutting edge aircraft level technology, kind of brought down to the airgun world. Yeah.
Exactly. And so this is the first product that we're going to be bringing to market. It is a 52 millimeter, we call it the AEA 52 millimeter Triclamp bottle rail.
So this is going to go
we're terrible at names.
Right on your air bottle.
Yeah. Yep.
And it's going to give you a place to mount your bipod.
Correct. So you have about a slot and a half down at the bottom here, which will accommodate a 5-slot rail. You can see these little cutouts here. That's for the lug. So if you wanted to put something longer on, you can.
Sure.
Same with the sides. This is a single MLock slot. But if you want to put something longer on, this hump was designed to be able to allow the lug to sit off of it.
Right.
So you could theoretically make a train of these,
right,
and put a full Swiss Arca rail on the bottom from like MDT. You could put a long pick rail on the sides of it and make it a complete rail system, and if you chose to.
This leverages the strength of carbon fiber to give you the rigidity and the strength in that band to be able to extend it out. You're not going to have to worry about stressing that part because it's designed to handle the stress.
Absolutely. So one of the challenges with many air guns is that the gap between your air tube or your bottle and the shroud is really, really small. And if some of the AAs, like the HPs, the Challenger Pro, that gap is less than 1 millimeter.
Right.
Which is really pretty thin. So we've been working to try to figure out, how do you make something strong enough that's that thin? But really, you only have one choice. That's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber tensile strength is amazing, and tensile strength is in this direction, pulling away.
Right.
It's astronomical how strong it is.
Yeah.
And that's what we did, was we captured that strongest property of carbon, and we applied it to this product.
Sure.
So this is less than 0.7 millimeters thick.
Wow. And what do you figure the strength on that is?
Oh my gosh.
Across that material? I mean, we're talking thousands of pounds of force.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's so
yes.
cool.
Yeah, I don't even know to calculate that,
right,
because the strength of carbon is you need to measure it somehow.
Yeah.
Because it varies,
sure,
depending on the fiber you're using.
And the
resin system.
Yep.
How it was cured.
Sure.
The orientation of the fabric.
Yep.
So we don't know.
The bottom line is it's really high.
To make...
You're not going to machine metal that thin
No.
inexpensively and bring a product to market.
It is incredibly thin. Now, structurally, when it's off the bottle, if you squeeze that hard enough, you would damage it.
Right.
It would probably crack if you squeeze it hard enough. I'm not that strong. I got noodle arms, but it's strong. But in that tensile strength around the bottle, when you put this on the bottle, it's not breaking, it's not moving.
And it, you know, to be honest, it's actually also drawing strength from that bottle when it is in tension around there. So the whole thing becomes a unit. It becomes a unified design, and it's ridiculously strong.
Yeah. So
don't think that this is a plastic part, because that's absolutely not what it is. It is a cutting edge carbon fiber solution to a very real airgun problem.
Right. And we were methodical in that. Like the Challenger Pro, we make barrel bands. So we understand if you push your barrel up or you pull it down, you change the performance of that gun drastically.
Sure.
So we wanted to make something that would fit the whole line of HPs. So if it's got a 52 millimeter air tube, it fits. The bottom is 6061 aluminum. So the way this works is you're going to loosen the 4 screws here. You slide it on the air tube.
Right.
You position it, and you tighten these down until they stop. The carbon is captured here.
Right.
Right. So when you clamp this down, that force is really, really high. But you don't have to guess on how tight to make these. This is precision built. The tooling is within 2 thousandths the mold. So it's really simple to install. Once you install it, you tighten these down until they stop and you're done.
Nice.
It's not like, oh, I got to tighten it some more. Oh, I over tightened it. No. When these bottom out, you're done. And it's secured. And it's not moving. It doesn't twist. Woo! It doesn't twist. It doesn't rock. It's rock solid. And we wanted that.
Nice.
So another beauty of this product is these flat sides here. You can attach whatever MLock part you want.
Right.
QD swivel, flashlight, another pick rail, or you can leave them flat. A lot of people use bog tripods. Love the bog tripod. It's affordable and it works. However, with an air gun, it can be challenging because it's flat.
Yeah.
And you got a round bottle or air tube. With these sides, you can use that saddle. This is flat.
Much better clamp load on that. Yeah.
You can tighten it down and walk away and feel confident that it's not going to fall out of that position.
Nice.
It's really, really great. We used MLock because we wanted to give people choices. We love choices.
Yep.
Not everybody wants a pick rail. Not everybody wants a Swiss Arca. Not everybody wants anything on the bottom.
Yeah.
Maybe they just want to put a swivel on it.
Yep.
So we designed this with more of the hunter mentality.
Yeah. More flexibility, less steering somebody down.
And that's why we chose MLock, and we didn't assign this a pick rail, for example.
Very good.
We want to give people choices.
Yeah, agnostic solutions give us freedom.
Right.
Absolutely.
Exactly. And that's what we wanted to do. So, yeah, that's it in a nutshell. It's really versatile. Like I said, it fits all the guns across the HP line that use a 52 millimeter air tube. And then the 52 millimeter air tube is also used on the Red Panda. For some reason, you wanted to lighten that gun up.
Sure.
You could.
Yep.
You know, the Red Panda is a bench gun, but for some reason, a guy's using a dual purpose. He wants to lighten it up. You could take those forward rails off, and this fits that as well.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So what I'm getting here, David, is the message is Black Arts still has all of the stuff that made Black Arts famous. This is in addition to that, and you just continue to bring us new innovative products, and it's awesome.
Correct. Yeah. So we're going to continue to do the 3D printing, additive manufacturing, and just so everyone's aware, this is additive manufacturing. Okay? This is the oldest additive manufacturing composites.
Right.
The first fiberglass bolt holes, the Coast Guard made in 1941.
Right.
They're still in service.
Yep.
So additive manufacturing is building a part by layer.
Yep.
And that's what you do with composites. You're laying down your fabric one on top of the other until you build the thickness that you want.
Yep.
So
very good.
yeah, man, this is where we're going. This product we're shooting to have available October 1st.
So make sure you start harassing them in about a week.
Yeah.
Kind of give them some motivation.
Yeah, so we're going to be putting some things out about it, some more details. And oh, by the way, it's 54 grams.
Nice. For the gram weedies out there.
Yeah. And
you know who you are.
the amazing thing is most of that weight is this aluminum, the bottom.
Yeah.
This shell, the clamp itself is 13 grams.
Yeah. You know you've got a lightweight design when the heaviest thing on it is made out of aluminum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just, we love carbon fiber. It is a miracle material.
Awesome.
It just, you can do so many amazing things with it, and we have plans for many, many other products. So
awesome.
Very excited.
Yeah. Thank you, David, for joining me at the PA Cup 2024. We are delighted to have you on the Airgun Geeks again, and good luck with your new product.
Thank you. Thanks for having us. We appreciate it.
All right.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Thank
We're
you.
taking some time out for the Airgun Geeks
Yeah,
here
man.
at RMAC 2024. We're delighted to have you back, and
Hey, just so you know, you want to film that last part because you said RMAC.
All right, we'll reshoot that real quick.
Yeah. Other things like this, I could talk about this for 20 hours. So we're using a pre-preg build. This is a pre-preg. This isn't a dry fabric with a liquid resin.
Right.
So we control the resin content, at 40% fiber to resin ratio, which is, that's where you get the best properties.
It's where the magic happens.
Yeah, but it's a lot more expensive.
Yeah.
In the long run, it's cheaper when you're making multiples because you can pre-cut everything. It doesn't fray. You don't have all these stray fibers and fabrics.
Right.
We can use...
so you don't have all that extra finishing work.
Well, you do still. Like, we have to trim everything, but it's... If you ever work with fiberglass and stuff, the ends will come apart once you cut it. It doesn't happen with pre-preg because there's a resin in a B stage, partially cured, that's holding it all together.
Nice.
So you can make nice, clean cuts. You can do really clean ply drops, which is when you're building something up, you can step them back.